Hey there, today I'm going to talk you through how you can create a tone of voice guide for your brand, and it's super easy. I'll jump into ChatGPT now. You've got the prompt now, so all you need to do is type that in as a starting point. So as you can see, ChatGPT is finished with listing out all the questions that it wants you to answer in order to put together a tone of voice guide for you. So now if you just copy that and paste it down here, usually what I'd do is just do a hold shift and hit enter to add a couple of lines. If you hit enter, it'll actually submit it. So hold shift while you hit enter and then just type in your responses below each of those questions that it's asking. But in this case, what we'll do is we'll just actually get it to invent all these answers itself. So like I specified in the PDF, I invented this brand called Chill Thrills, the ice cream shop. So let's see what it comes up with for Chill Thrills, just inventing answers to all of this by itself, which might give you some ideas for how you could answer these questions for your brand. Okay, so you can see it's finished inventing answers to all those questions. This could even be a really good starting point for you and your business. Just enter, instead of up here saying that you're the owner of an indulgent and luxurious ice cream brand, just say that whatever industry you're in, just describe a little bit about your business and what you do, and then just keep the rest the same and get ChatGPT to have a first go at inventing answers that it thinks could be good based on the info you've provided. And then from there you can tweak it, and that might be a better or easier place to start than just kind of coming up with answers on your own to each of those questions. So as you can see, it's done a pretty good job. Describe the brand in 3 words: decadent, luxurious, exquisite, who our primary target audience is. So affluent adults, 28 to 50, that sounds about right. So yeah, all of this looks pretty good. What are the core values? It's really kind of put a lot together. So yeah, have fun playing around with that for your brand. And one other thing I just want to run through really quickly is you might also want to detect the tone of voice from existing content. Maybe you're really happy with the tone of voice of your brand at the moment, but you just want to tweak it. Or maybe you want to see or detect the tone of voice from some other content on the web, whether it could even be a competitor's or an inspirational brand that you kind of want to have as a starting point. So in that case, paste in the other prompt that I provided. So we'll paste that in now. And then all you need to do is copy and paste the content below that. So the easiest way to do that is to use the Web Content Copier plugin that I created. So you can just go to Google, search for Web Content Copier, and it'll come up number 1. So once that's installed, just go to the website that you want to copy the content from to detect the tone of voice. So let's just go with Apple in this case. So we'll copy all the content, go back to ChatGPT and paste it down below. And if you've got more content or other pages on the website that you want to kind of give a more well-rounded kind of set of data for it to look at, you can just do the same process. Go to another page, click on the plugin, on the extension, copy all that and paste it in below. But let's just run with this for the moment. So here you can see it's come up with the response for that content that we copied from the Apple site. So it's put together a full tone of voice guide for Apple. So it seems pretty spot on first glance too. So brand description: innovative, advanced, lifestyle orientated, target audience, tech-savvy individuals, students, professionals. That all sounds right. Or curiosity, aspiration as emotions. That sounds right. This is definitely very un-Apple. Hurry now and don't miss out. So it's spot on there. Yeah, so have a bit of a read through that. But that all looks really good. So have a play around with that too. Copy some content from other websites and yeah, have fun.